Hello students. In previous videos, we have tried to understand what is the meaning of division or divide. So we have learned that divide means distributing the thing into equal parts. हम किसी भी चीज को जब हम equally distribute करते हैं और बराबर बराबर बांटते हैं, so that is called divide or division. Now, today we will try to understand something about division. Here you can see the picture of a man, and this man has 12 mangoes. Now, he wants to give 3 mangoes to each child. इस मैन के पास कितने मैंगोज हैं? 12. और ये 3 मैंगोज हर एक चाइल्ड को देना चाहता है. Now, among how many children will these mangoes be distributed? So ये कितने children हैं उसमें उनमें ये distribute कर सकता है इन mangoes को. So that means कितने children इसको चाहिए 12 mangoes distribute करने के लिए. 12 mangoes हैं, हर एक child को कितने mangoes देने हैं? 3 mangoes. तो कितने children को ये mangoes मिलेंगे? So what we will do? First of all, we have how many mangoes? 12 mangoes. Now, out of these 12, he has given 3 mangoes to Rohit. उसने 3 mangoes किसको दे दिए? रोहित को दे दिए. अब इस मैन के पास कितने mangoes बचे? 9. 12 minus 3 is 9. 12 में से 3 mangoes रोहित को दे दिए, बचे 9. Now again, he has given 3 mangoes out of these 9 to Mona. Mona को कितने दे दिए इसने? 3 mangoes, because उसने हर child को 3 mangoes देने थे, इसलिए वो 3 mangoes दे रहा है. पहले 12 में से 3 mangoes दिए, कितने बच गए? That is 9. Now out of these 9, he has given 3 mangoes to Mona. Mona को 3 mangoes दे दिए. How many mangoes are left? That is 6. Now, out of these 6, again he has given 3 mangoes to Raj. अब इसने 3 mangoes किसको दे दिए? राज को दे दिए. तो कितने mangoes बचे? That means 3. अब out of these 3, he has given 3 mangoes to Rima. अब रीमा को भी 3 mangoes दे दिए. Now, how many mangoes are left with him? That is 3 minus 3, 0. So, its basket is empty. So, 4 children get these 3 mangoes. So, how many children get these mangoes? That means 4 children. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 children get these 3 mangoes each. हर एक child को 3 mangoes मिले और total कितने children को ये mangoes मिले? That is 4. 4 children को 3 mangoes मिले. So in this way he has distributed all these 12 mangoes. So now how we get the number of children? By subtracting the same thing again and again. जितने उसने distribute करते थे उतने ही हम बार बार subtract करते गए जब तक कि हमारे पास क्या नहीं आ गया? 0. So division is a repeated subtraction. तो इससे आपको क्या पता चलता है कि जो डिवीजन है वो क्या है? रिपीटेड सब्ट्रैक्शन. अगर हम बार बार किसी चीज को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते रहे सेम चीज को, तो हमारे पास कब तक करेंगे? जब तक कि लास्ट में 0 ना आ जाए. तो दैट इज डिवीजन. दैट मीन्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिंग इनटू इक्वल पार्ट्स. एंड डू यू रिमेंबर मल्टीप्लिकेशन? मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज रिपीटेड addition. That we have already done, because multiplication table में होता क्या है? Same thing is repeated again and again. So that is repeated addition. I will discuss it, but first of all, let us see this example. Here we have to divide 12 by 3. 12 को 3 से divide करना है. How? By repeated subtraction. So what we will do? 12 minus 3. डिवाइड करना है ना, इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है। तो सबसे पहले 12 में से फर्स्ट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट 3 दिए तो कितने बच गए 9, 9 में से फिर 3 दिए दैट इज 6, 6 में से फिर 3 दिए 3, then 3 में से फिर 3 दिए दैट इज 0, दैट वी हैव डन in the previous example. So division is repeated subtraction, and if we want to write this in symbol form, then 12 divided by 3. So 3 4s are 12. 3 का table recite करेंगे 12 तक, 3 4s are 12. So answer is same. How many times we have subtracted? 1 2 3 4. So 4 is the answer. So अगर आप इसको repeated subtraction करके देंगे then also we get the same answer. अगर आप इसको symbolical way में इसको solve करेंगे then also we will get the same answer. So division means repeated subtraction. Division is repeated subtraction. So let us try to understand. In multiplication and in division, what is the difference? जब हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन में लेते हैं तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन मीन्स सपोज हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन टेबल ले रहे हैं 2 + 2 so that is 4, then 2 + 2 + 2 that is 6, then 2 + 2 + 2 + 2 that is 8. तो ये हमारा था मल्टीप्लिकेशन में. इसको हम और कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 2 कितनी बार ऐड हुआ? 2 2 * 4, सेम आंसर. और इसको हम कैसे लिखते हैं? 2 कितनी बार ऐड हुआ यहाँ पर? रिपीटेड एडिशन 3 times, so 2 3s are 6. और 2 कितनी बार हुआ? 2 4 बार हुआ, 4 times ऐड हुआ तो 2 4s are 8. So this is repeated addition. So multiplication is repeated addition. So this is about the multiplication. Now division is opposite to that of multiplication. जो division है ये multiplication का बिल्कुल क्या है? Opposite है. And in division, suppose as we have done one example, we have to divide 12 things into 3 equal parts. Sorry, 3 हमें 3 करके हमें distribute करना है 12 mangoes को, as we have done. So for here we have to divide or subtract again and again. So 12 minus 3, we have 9 mangoes left. Then 9 minus 3, we have 6 mangoes. Then 6 minus 3, we have 3 mangoes. Then 3 minus 3, we have 0. So how many times we have subtracted? 1 2 3 4. So that means 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 times we have subtracted. So division is repeated subtraction. So division is repeated subtraction. So these are opposite to each other. That means multiplication and division. Multiplication में repeated addition होता है and division में repeated subtraction होता है. I hope it is clear to you. Now here is one worksheet based on it. That is worksheet number 2. And here the question is divide using repeated subtraction. So here you have to divide by using repeated subtraction. I will do few questions for you. Let us do the first question, worksheet number 2. That is first A part, 14 by 7. We have to divide not directly but using repeated subtraction. So how we will solve this question? So we have to distribute 14 in now 7 because repeated subtraction. So हम 14 में से 7 सब्ट्रैक्ट करें, फिर अगेन जो आंसर आएगा उसमें 7, फिर जो आंसर आएगा उसमें 7, ऐसे करके हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करते जाएंगे जब तक हमारे पास लास्ट में क्या आना बच जाए? आंसर 0. So 14 minus 7 is 7. because 4 is smaller than 7, so we will borrow. It will becomes 14. 14 minus 7 is 7, or here 0 is left, so 7. Now 7 minus 7, that is 0. So in 2 steps ये हमारा finish हो गया. So that is 14 divided by 7 is equal to how many times we have subtracted. कितनी बार subtract किया हमने? 2 times. So 14 divided by 7 is 2. So here is the answer. So you can see here 7 2s are 14. We'll do one more question. I will do fourth part for you. That is 48 by 8. 48 by 8. Now again we have to divide it by using repeated subtraction. So start subtracting. हम बार बार क्या subtract करेंगे? 8. But we have to subtract again and again 8. जिससे हम divide करते हैं उसको हम subtract करेंगे. That means जो हमारा divisor होगा उसको हम बार बार subtract करेंगे. So we will start subtracting 48 minus 8. That is 40. Now 40, it will come up 40 minus 8. हम जो माइनस करेंगे वो आंसर में से जो हमारा आंसर आ रहा है उससे हम again subtract. So this is 10 and what will left over here is 3. So this is 32. Now again subtracted 32 minus 8. So it is 24. Here 12. What will left over here is 2. Like this. Now 24 minus 8. So it's 16. यहाँ पर 14 हो जाएगा आपका और यहाँ पर 1 बचेगा. So that is 16. Now 16 minus 8. We will subtract 8 again and again. जिससे हमें divide करना है उसको हम बार बार subtract कर रहे हैं. कब तक करेंगे? जब तक हमारा आंसर 0 ना आ जाए. So 16 minus 8 is 8. And then 8 minus 8 is 0. So now count the number of times we have subtracted. Here the answer is 0. अब हम minus नहीं करेंगे. Now count the number of times we have subtracted. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times we have subtracted. So our answer is 6. So 48 divided by 8 is equal to 6. You can also check 8 6 are 48. So 8 के टेबल में 48 कहाँ आता है? 8 6 are 48. Only the thing is you have to subtract again and again by 8 and then count the number of times we have subtracted. और कब तक subtract करना है? जब तक हमारा क्या नहीं आ जाता? 0 नहीं आ जाता. Let us do one more question. Suppose I will do 30 by 5. This is the second part. Subtracted 30 minus 5. 30 minus 5 is 25. Now 25 minus 5. हमें किससे subtract करना था यहाँ पर? 5 से. 20. Now 20 minus 5 is 15. कैसे कर रहे हैं माइनस ये आपको पता होगा because 0 is smaller than 5, so we will borrow. What will left over here is 1, so it is 10 minus 5 is 5 and 1, 15. Then 15 minus 5 again. It is 5 minus 5 is 0, 10. Then 10 minus 5 again. We will borrow, it will become 10 and 0, so it is 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. Now 5 minus 5 is 0. So हमें कब तक subtract करना है? जब तक हमारा finally answer 0 नहीं आ जाता. Now what we have to do? We have to count how many times we have subtracted. कितनी बार हमने subtract किया है. So count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times we have subtracted. So our answer is 6. So 30 divided by 5 is 6. 5 6 is 30, you all know. So this is the answer. So in this way we can divide by using repeated subtraction. So you can try the remaining parts of this worksheet and we will discuss them tomorrow. Thank you.